Hello everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com. I've got here a really great little Suzuki Carry. This one's a real find, very low mileage and really clean condition as well. This is a 2012 Suzuki Carry, 2 or 4-wheel drive. Even the bolts in the suspension are still shiny. It's done 2,700 kilometers, which is, I don't know, about 1,500 miles or something, 1,600 miles. You can see the drop sides are in excellent condition, very tidy indeed. The lights are still shiny, stickers are still shiny. The tray, well, it hasn't been used once, I don't think, is really good. New tyres, or still the original tyres, they haven't been used. Really excellent condition. So this vehicle is going to be sold as a off-road use in the US, like an ATV, but it's like buying a brand new machine, this really, because you can see in here the seat, it's really clean, new. All this panels in here often gets some scratches from moving your feet, but they haven't used this car much, so it's still really clean. Just start the engine up. You can see the odometer there, 2,798 kilometers, not very much at all. It's got air conditioning, that's working nicely, 5-speed manual, and it's got 4-wheel drive here with high range, low range, and it can switch to 2-wheel drive as well. So if I just move that lever up to 4-wheel drive, move it again right the way back, that's low range. When you do that, that light comes on there on the dashboard, tells you the 4-wheel drive's engaged. When you press it back down to the 2H position there, it's too high range, and the light goes out. That's now back in 2-wheel drive. Cigarette lighter just there. This one's even got dual airbags, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. It's a really clean truck, one of the cleanest ones I've seen really for an 8-year-old vehicle. It's very good condition. So this is going to be coming to the US very shortly, and if you're interested in this car, one like this, or you think you could make some money by selling these vehicles in the US, you'd like to be a distributor of these trucks, we can help you with that as well. Contact us by having a look on our website, SamuraiMini.com, and you'll see a lot more information on there. Thank you very much for watching.